Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. Today is April 25th, and I just read that the Bose SoundSport free wireless headphones are on sale, and indeed they are. They're $50 off at $199 if you were contemplating getting them, but the price point at $249 was too high. Now is the time to jump on these at this price point. Don't forget, they do come in 3 colors. You've got the black, you've got the midnight blue citron, and the orange. And I'll put a link in the description so you can order them. They also have protection plan. And I'll also put a link in the description of my review on them. But always interested when I get some kind of news that I can share. And I thought at this price point it would be worth jumping on. So who knows how long this price point will be, but check it out, save some money. And if you have any questions, let me know. Appreciate your time, and go Bose.